How to make Trust Wallet easily. Trust Wallet is a popular crypto wallet used to store different types of cryptocurrencies and digital tokens. This wallet is known for its good security and ability to store a large number of different crypto assets. Here's how to easily create a Trust Wallet. Step 1. Download Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from the Google Play Store or App Store. This app is available for free and easy to download. Step 2. Create a wallet. After downloading the app, open Trust Wallet and click Create New Wallet. You will be asked to create a new password and confirm the password. Step 3. Save the seed phrase. After creating the password, Trust Wallet will display 12 random words called seed phrase. Store this seed phrase safely, and do not give it to anyone. Seed phrase is a way to get back into your wallet if you lose your password or device. Step 4. After saving the seed phrase. After saving the seed phrase, you will be asked to enter it again to ensure that you have saved the seed phrase correctly. Step 5. Choose the crypto you want to store. After confirming the seed phrase, you will see a blank Trust Wallet home screen. Click on Add Crypto and select the crypto you want to store in your Trust Wallet. Click subscribe, like and ring the bell.